सुधागड एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे पूर्व प्राथमिक, प्राथमिक, माध्यमिक व उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालय कळंबोली मराठी, हिंदी, इंग्रजी, उर्दू माध्यम यांच्या सौजन्याने शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओमध्ये आपलं सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे.
Hello, good morning children. Welcome to the standard 10th subject English. Today we are going to start the unit number 2.3. Our poem is The Twins and the poet is Henry S. Liggio. Twins, to whom we call the twins? See the question. To whom we call the twins? The two children, two babies born at the same time from the same mother, that is called the twins. Here are some other definitions. Now, guess and share who are triplets. Triplets means three babies born at the same time from the same mothers. दोनापेक्षा जास्त मुलं, तीन मुलं जन्माला आली, that is called the triplets. Quadruplets, the four babies born at the same time from the same mother. एकाच आईने चार मुलांना जन्म देणं, that is called the quadruplets. Quintuplets, what means quintuplets? Five or more babies born at the same time from the same mother. पाचपेक्षा जास्त मुलं एखाद्या आईने जन्माला घालणं एकाच वेळी, that is called the quintuplets. Here are some pictures of the twins babies. See that? Twins, the two brothers, either the two sisters, siblings. But what problems create in their life when the twins born? Because they are looking same, there are so many problems. So here the poet Henry Liggio, he tells to the narrator, he tells to the reader what problems create in his life, while his brother John means from the childhood what situations create in his life. When he was little and when they were Christian, means namkaran vidhi je apan म्हणतो, when they were Christian, they were going to wash before the christening. Because of the whim, because of the by mistake of the nurse, they were got interchanged. And so then what happened? His intended name John was given to his brother. These situations came over and over. This will be when they step forward going to the school. Because of the mistake of John, his brother, means the poet Henry, was punished. They were same, they were looking same from the form and feature, face and limb, mean their appearance, their behavior, equivalent, same to same. So their friends and relatives could not understand who are who. Everybody was confused. They can't understand. They can't differentiate between of them. So there was a very tremendous situations. Not in that. Whenever the John make a mistake in the school, the poet Henry was flogged. He was punished by the teacher, and each and every time when the poet's brother John was make a mistake, committed mistake, that time without any mistake the poet was punished by his father, by the others, by the teacher. It was not over, but the great mistake was when they were got married. When they were got married, John's intended wife, poet's intended wife becomes the John's wife and the create the tremendous situation in his life. And at the last, when the poet's brother John was died, the people came and buried to the poet. Now today, we are going to learn the poem, the first stanza, what is actually in the poet's life. The poet said that in this poem, in form and feature, face and limb, I grew so like my brother, that the folks taking for me each other from one another. It fuzzled for our Keith and Keen, it reached the fearful pitch. For one of us was born a twin, yet not a soul which knew. So here are some new words. Form and feature. Form and feature means structure and appearance. Taking means mistaking. Keith and Keen means relative. Pitch means a limit at the height. What the poet see here, what he is saying, the narrative was one of his twins. Right from birth, he and his brother were similar in the face, in the feature, in the structure and appearance. Their resemblance was so close that people began mistaking one for the other, and all relatives and friends. They were confused, they were puzzled, and at the time, the confusion reached very higher pitch, means in a higher level. What happened then? It was certain that of them was born a twin, but no one knew who was twin because they born was minor difference. So they were looking as the same. So no one can understand who was the twin. So what happened? One day, make a matter worse, when already they were got, and so then when they were going to ज्याला आपण आपल्या मराठी भाषेत बारसं नामकरण विधी म्हणतो, just they were going to christening. So before christening, it was the rule, it was the tradition to washing to the children, to giving the bath. As they were being washed by the nurse, they got interchanged. And so what happened? It was create a very difficult situation. Thus it was either due to the nurse mistake, became destiny of the diseases, त्या नर्सच्या उद्दामपणामुळे म्हणा किंवा निसर्गाचे दैवाने म्हणा, because of the destiny, the narrator's brother got the name of the John intended. So it was first, the poet was given the name John. But what happened? Because of the interchange, they were confused who was John and who was the poet. So the poet's name, intended name, now, John was given to his brother, and his brother's name was given to the narrator says that our likeliness, आमच्यातला सारखेपणा, had a very bad, very serious effect. It was create a fatal. त्यांच्यातला सारखेपणाने एवढं दुर्दैव उद्भवलं, they followed the two like as a shadow. You know that each and every human being have a shadow, and the shadow follow to us each and every time, everywhere. So their resemblance, their sameness, their likeliness was chasing each other wherever you go. Means wherever you go, they told him, okay John, how are you? But actually he was not the John, he was the poet, Henry. And whenever the Henry where the people said that, okay, John, these people were confused. Their likeliness was followed to them as like as a dog, as like as a shadow, all through their life. At school, the narrator was usually punished because the narrator who already completed his homework, who already completed his everything, but and the John, he did not. So what happened? Whenever the poet shows his notebook to the teacher, they think that it was the John's notebook. And whenever the John was not doing anything, they think that it was the poet. And so he was got punished by the teacher. म्हणजे कवीने अभ्यास केलेला असताना सुद्धा त्याला पनिशमेंट व्हायची because of his brother John. So the narrator says that the likeliness had very bad and serious effect, very fatal. In what aspects were the brothers like each other? This is the question for you children. In the first stanza, there is given that the aspects of the poet and his brother. So, in what aspects were the brothers like each other? And the answer is form and feature, face and limb. So, the narrator was usually punished for the mistake made by his brother, and the narrator put the following questions to each and everyone, because each and every time by the teacher, by his father, by his parents, everywhere, everyone was punished to the poet. So he asked the question. He was tired to saying that I am not John, I am a poet, I am a Henry, but no one can listen about him. So he was asked to the questions to the each and everyone. What was the question he asked? He knew, though, what will you do? What would you do if you were in the place of me? जर तुम्ही माझ्या जागी राहिला असतात आणि तुम्हाला जर काही एखादा जुळा भाऊ किंवा बहीण राहिला असता तर तुम्ही काय केलं असतं? So he was tired asking the question because nobody knows, nobody answer, nobody given the sufficient answer to him. So what will do? What can I do now? He was confused. So he can't understand. So even the narrator's domestic life was affected by his close resemblance. What happened about his domestic life? What was happened in his domestic life? When they were grown up, the twins were grown up, when they were completing their education, school age, and their family decided to get married to them. It was a very happy thing. अभी शादी करनी है, लग्न करायचं ठरवलं, but their likeliness, the poet's likeliness was totally ruined because of the sameness, because of the twins. His domestic life should be ruined. Why? Because he chose the one girl, and his intended wife, Niyojit, his intended wife, his intended bride, his intended girl, become his friends, become his brother's John's wife. And obviously, he got married the another girl. So, means in his life, he could not get anything properly because from the childhood he was punished. When he go to the school, teacher also punish him. His parents, each and every time they scold him. Even his name was not given to him. And then when he was grown up, his bride, his intended bride also got married to his brother. And at lastly, when the John died, the people came there. Means when at lastly the poet died, they came there and they buried to the John. It was a very tremendous thing in the second stanza, one day matter was what happened. Before our names were fixed, as we were being washed by the nurse, means they were going to Christian. And when they were going to wash, when they were washed by the nurse, we got completely mixed. They were interchanged. So other the nurse, Vim, next, Vim, sudden change in the mind, the affect, lahar jala आपण म्हणतो. Next की भाई. Rather the nurse Vim, my brother John got Christian to me. Means his brother's name was given to the poet and the poet's name was given to him. I got Christian him. This fackle likely to the dog. Fackle means durdaiva. Fackle means badness, evil situation in the life, and this fackle likeliness dog means chase, patriarch karna. My footsteps when at school means when the poet go to the school, and I always getting flogged because of the mistake of his brother. The poet was flogged, poet was punished, and for John turned out a fool means his brother making a fool to each and everyone. He do the mistake, he committed the mistake, but because of his mistake, his brother was given the punish, and he was always away from that situations. So then, the poet, for the John's mistake, the poet got angry. He was tired, so he put the questions fruitlessly, seriously to the each and everyone. He know that nobody have the answer about that question. To everyone I knew, what would you do if you were me? He asked to his friends. He asked to the everyone, what will you do? What would you do if you were me? तुम्ही माझ्या जागी असतात तर काय केलं असतं? To prove that you are you. की तुम्हीच आहात. How can you prove? तुम्ही सिद्ध कसं केलं असतं? So nobody have the answer about that. So he got confused. Our close resemblance turned tired. Their close resemblance, सारखेपणा, create their close resemblance make a very bad situation in the poet's life. Turn the tide. Tide means lot. Turn the light means खळबळ माजवणे. In their situations came a very bad condition. In their domestic life. Domestic life means वैवाहिक जीवन. Means what happened? When the two children when they were get aged, means when they elder, when they were my intended bride, what happened in their domestic life? The poet's intended wife, the poet's intended bride, to whom he loved very much, become his brother's wife. So here is a question for you. What name did the speaker got his brother's name? What name did the speaker got? Means when they were Christian, you know that very well. So the poet got his brother's name. How did the speaker suffer at school? When he go to the school, what happened actually? So how did the speaker suffer at school? He was always flogged for his brother John's mistake. So it was a very difficult situation in his life. So then, it creates it create a very tremendous situation. What happened actually? They decided to get married. The poet's intended wife became his brother's. Obviously, his brother's wife should be his. For how my intended bride become my brother's wife. In fact, year after year, this was happened continuously. But the poets faced the situation. It was the absolute mistake, great mistake. And when the poet was died, the people came there and they buried his brother John. And in this way, children, you know that in your life also this was happened. What happened actually about the twins? Now, here are the questions for you. This question is asked in question number 3A. Here are the three questions, three types of questions you have to be asked. Question number A1, A2, and A3. This question is for the 5 marks. Question number 1, A1, simple factual question. This is the simple factual question, very easy answers. See that, complete the following with the information given in the extract. First one, the twins were similar at each other. What is the answer? The form and the feature. The people mistake the twins. What about the people mistake for the one another? No one knew who is the twins. Keith and Keen means they were puzzled with the brothers' similarity. Next. The twins were similar to each other, form and feature, pace and limb. The people mistake the twins one for the other. Next. No one knew who was the twin. Next. Keith and Keen were puzzled by the brothers' similarity. Next. A2 type question, complex factual. Complex factual means you have to write minimum 3 to 4 lines answer, that it has given the 2 marks for you. What was the puzzling thing about the twins? Next. And the answer is, the twins were so much alike that no one could distinguish, make a difference one from another. And A3, poetic device, write the rhyming pairs. You know that the ending words means rhyming words. So here are Keith and Keen means whim, limb, keen, tween, verse, nurse. That type of words should be given here. In the second, what does the following words express? Next. Next. What does the following words express? Suppose Keith and Keen means friends and relatives. Folks means people. Soul means a person. My brother, one of the twin. These are the words, and this question is carried for the 5 marks. Next. Now, the question number 3B, it is a very easy question. Each and everybody can get here minimum 3 to 4 marks. Appreciation of the poem. रसग्रहण ज्याला आपण म्हणतो. Here are asked the 5 types for us. Title, the name of the poet, theme, either central idea, rhyme scheme, and figure of speech. These are the 5 topics. Title and poet, it has the half, each question have half marks. Theme, central idea, it carries the 2 marks. Rhyming scheme, it carries the 1 marks. And the figure of speech, it carries the 1 marks. Miss Total, this question is given as the 5 marks. This question, so appreciation of how to write. Title. You know that the poem is given, the title is given there, but you have to write this one like that. The title of the poem is The Twins. The title of the poem is The Twins. Second one, the poet. Who is the poet of this poem? This poem is written by Henry Legume. So you have to add a one sentence. This poem is written by Henry Legume. Next, the third one, theme, either the central idea, means what is said in this poem. What is the central idea? What is the theme? What do you understand from this poem? The central idea of the poem is the problem faced by one of the child from pair of identical twins. Here, the problem is so exaggerated. Listen carefully. The central idea of the poem is the poet is the problem faced by one of the child from pair. May the poet have the twins, you know that very well. So he faced the problem because of his twin. So the central idea of the poem is the problem faced by one of the child from pair of identical twins. He was same from the face and limbs, Keith and Keen. Here the problem is exaggerated, that exaggerated means over tremendous. So here the problem is so exaggerated that creates the use effect, but still the poet achieves a balance by making the reader to believe at least for a brief moment the logic of his arguments. Means here the poet faced a very tremendous situation in his life, but what happened? He faced problems. Next one, the rhyming scheme. Means what are the rhyming scheme? Rhyming scheme must be written in a small letters, and rhyming scheme are as this: A B C D, either A B A B, like that one. So here in this poem the rhyming scheme is A B A B. Figure of speech. Here in this poem the figure of speech is alliteration. So children, I hope that you will understand very well, very better from this poem, and here are some questions for you for the practice. I hope so you will be understand betterly. So best of wishes, do study at home, be carefully, and read the poem again and again, and try to write the answer of these questions. Good luck, and hope so, best of luck for you.